Welcome back to my daily report market analysis videos with me, Richard Perry, market analyst at Hantec. On Tuesday, the 5th of May, looking at euro dollar now, which has had a sizable downside move today. It looked as though yesterday the market was basically just retreating back to this 108.90 pivot line. Now, I've said in my daily analysis that I'm taking a sort of a bigger picture view that the euro dollar is broadly speaking consolidating now within probably a range really. You could argue 725 up to sort of this reaction high at 1015, sort of thereabouts 300 pips of range over the past month. You could broaden that out a little bit, but essentially it's trading in that range and around the 108.90 level, which has been used on numerous occasions as key stopping areas, key consolidation points, turning area, and an early morning move back to there seemed to be holding. But this candle here, this which we've seen in the past couple of hours, has been a sharp move to the downside on euro, selling euro, basically on the back of that German Constitutional Court ruling against the ECB, which has put the euro under pressure. Now, it'll be interesting to see how far this goes, because at the moment it's found support above the 108.10 mark. 108.10 being an old key low, which again became supportive on the 28th of April before the move higher went. So that becomes again supportive on the way down. You've seen the reaction low coming in at 108.25 early morning today. But it certainly looks as though that I think euro dollar is effectively sort of building this range now, sideways trading. Look at these flat moving averages, nothing doing there. Looking at these momentum indicators between 40 and 56 on the RSI. Again, nothing really doing there. MACD line is basically sort of broadly flat, with all of this with a very slight negative bias, mind you, but still broadly speaking flat and ranging. And I think that is likely to continue. We've got that support in place at 108.10. You could argue that then below that you get the supports around the sort of 107.70 mark, these old two lows from February, and subsequently in April again, that spike low at 107.25 also is a basis of support. But generally speaking, we see, I think, moves towards the bottom of this range likely to be supported. Now, exactly how the ECB responds to this German Constitutional Court ruling will be important, but for now, I think the outlook technically is still fairly range bound and attractive towards that 108.90, which is a pivot level mid-range. So with that in mind, I wish you good luck in your trading today. Click here to subscribe to our analysis videos, and you can go to our website where you can sign up for our webinars.